Welcome viewers, how you doing? In the last video I told you about making the CFOP algorithm, CFOP method, intermediate method used to solve 3 by 3, which is one step ahead of the basics. And in the last one I told you about the cross, how to make a white cross. Now moving ahead to CFOP and moving this video is regarding the F, that stands for the F2L, first two layer. In this we will make the corners and the edges together. Put these edges together. Let me jumble this up. Now make white plus like we did before. Connect it to red, connect it to blue. Now after this you make the white cross and correctly. You can see why it's totally corrected, and then you have to make it to the opposite side, yellow. Hold it to the opposite side. Now in order to make these two layers together, you will come up with three cases. The first case is the white is on the top. So in order to make the corner and the edge piece together, you will have to find the other piece of this which matches this one. Like this contains the orange and blue. Then you have to find this orange blue. You can see the here is orange blue. Here is a white orange blue. The other piece is orange blue. So what you have to do is flip, just bring this side down, and so that this can be up. Move it away. Now you have one is white, orange blue, and this orange blue and orange over here. Then what you have to do? You have to connect this orange blue orange with the orange, and move it. And here is the blue. So we have to move it away from the blue. Then move it above layer and make it top of it. And you can see it's connected. It was like this before. Okay. So connect it with orange. And blue is over this side because opposite of green is blue, and move it to the opposite side of blue. Then rotate this. You can see it's totally matched. Then bring this side up. Now put it between the orange and blue. It's already in orange and blue. Then like the previous time if the white is misplaced, how we can put it over here. We should do it in the opposite direction. So it's on the left, move it to the right. Bring this side up, place it in, and bring it down. You can see this block is made. The second case, in this the white is on the sides, and you have to face the other side of this one. The other side of this white piece is orange, and you have to place the other. This is the orange green. This is the other orange green, the side piece. You have to place it to the parallel of this one. Like this is orange green, you have to place it to parallel. If you come up with two cases, this is the second case in which both the sides are same, and the third case these sides are different. That means one is green and one is orange. So when these sides are same, what you have to do is this: bring this side down and rotate this side, so that after when you bring it up, it got matched with this one. Okay, it's like this before. If it is on the right side, then if this is on the diagonal, this is on diagonal. So if it is diagonal, you have to make it parallel. You have to make it parallel in the same direction in front of you. Bring this side down. If it's same, rotate it until when you bring this side up, it matches to this. After it matches, you have to bring between green and red, green and orange. Just that contains green and orange. Then face it towards you. If it's on the right side, move it to the left. Bring this side up because we have to place it over here. Place it in and bring this side down. You can see this side is also made. And the third case is this one. This is the first case only. Let's solve the first case. We have to take care of this also. You don't mess with the corrected ones. I guess this is red blue, and you can find red blues over here. So you can lift this side up, and if you remember, then we have to connect it with this correct center. Red is correct. This is blue, so we have to move it away from the blue and bring this side down, and bring it connected with this one, and bring this side up. And it's between the blue and red. It's on the right side. Move it to the left. Bring this side up. Place it in and bring this side down. You can see this is also made. This is also made. This is also made. This is also made. This one is left. If you will find this is red on red green. And this is a third case in which these are these red green and this is the red green. And these are the top positions are the different one, opposite one. If these are opposite, then you have to face the white corner piece other side towards you and bring this side to the parallel. If this is, bring this side to the parallel. If it's on here, then bring this side down. Like if it's over here, so you have to see where this is empty one. So we have to, if it's on here and the other green red is over here, then if we move this side, you can see we can ruin this side. So what we have to do is we have to move it away and place it on the other side in the back, in the front of the incorrect one. So if you can lift it up and make this side to this parallel one. Now it's parallel and different. If it's different, you have to do this. First make it to the correct position, that in between the red and green is correctly placed. And now we have to connect this side, took this side to that one and make it connected. If it's connected, then bring this side here, this side here, and bring it down. Let me show you again. If this is here, if these are different, if you move this side, it will automatically connect it to the red green. And bring this side back, place it in, and bring this side down. So you can see this is also made. So two layers are made over here. So keep practicing this, guys. Thanks for watching. And the next video I'll let you know how to make the OLL, how to make the yellow, orienting the last layer, and how to get the PLL, the permuting of last layer. Keep practicing this, guys, to make it pretty fast all with the CFOP.